Do you know the history of Our Lady of Guadalupe?
The history of Our Lady of Guadalupe is rooted in the events that transpired between December 9 to 12, 1531. According to tradition, the Virgin Mary appeared to Juan Diego, an indigenous man in Mexico, speaking to him in his native Nahuatl language. She requested the construction of a church in her honor at the site of the apparition. Upon receiving this message, Juan Diego relayed it to the local bishop, who sought a sign to authenticate the apparition. Mary then instructed Juan Diego to gather roses from a barren hill, which miraculously appeared in his cloak. When Juan Diego presented these roses to the bishop, an image of the Virgin Mary was imprinted on his cloak, known as the tilma. This tilma, still preserved today in the Basilica of Our Lady of Guadalupe in Mexico City, is considered miraculous due to its vibrant colors and remarkable lack of decay over centuries. Our Lady of Guadalupe has become a profound symbol in Mexican and Catholic culture, embodying unity and faith. Her feast day is celebrated on December 12th. The story continues to inspire devotion and pilgrimage to the Basilica.
Thanks for watching.
For more videos, like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon.